Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to How It's Designed, and in this video we're going to cover just basic engineering drawings in Solidworks. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to first start off with a blank template, and we are now going to go to View Layout, and we're going to import a model. So we get a model view. We're gonna just browse for a part to import the one we want to work with. We're gonna place our first view. Now if we click on the view, we can change some things around. We can change how we want to display it. And we can change how big we want to draw it on there. We want to have a view that's going to give us a lot of details on how to machine the part first, laid down. So we just got our front view, and then we're going to place our other views coming off that. So once we have that view, we can place our other views, something like that. And then we can do maybe a section view to, this is gonna switch up your cutting line direction. We'll just click the center and we'll have a section view coming off. Alright, so my views are a little big, so we're gonna go change this to user defined. Let's try 3.5. Better. And if you want to change the size of just this one, you can break the link with the others to just change that view individually. We'll have an ISO view in the top right. So now we can start placing our dimensions. We can see right away that we want to show this feature a little bit bigger, so we can do a detailed view, just covering that key slot. Add a detailed view there. We've got our center line placed. Let's do a center line here as well. So on this view, some good things to put are just the diameters. I need to change my settings and make these text bigger. Sorry about that. So we'll do our outside diameter. And this, we can do our overall length. Maybe if we go to liters. So we've got our overall length. We can put in this length as well. Whoops. Now we've got some chamfers and fillets that we need to call out. We've got to dimension this keyhole, and we've got this through hole in the center that we can call out. We can add another dimension. Display options, display as diameter if we want. So we got our two main diameters. Now here, if we want, we can reference the wall thickness. So to do reference dimension, we just select our parentheses. I'm sorry about that, guys. I don't know why it's showing up so small. You know what? Let's show the overall length on this drawing. And then down here, we can call out our chamfer with our chamfer dimension. So you see what I did there? I just selected this line and a line next to it to give you the length of the chamfer and the angle that it's set at. Hopefully you guys still like this video, even though I'm fiddling around with the font size. So we have our overall length, we have the length of our smaller end, we have the chamfer note, we need a fillet note here, select that curve. And if you want to get fancy, can put our length here as a reference. I would recommend talking to your machine shop at your job to see what standards and things they like to see on the drawing, because everyone's different. Machinists tend to be very particular in what they like and what they don't like. All right. So we've got our diameters here, we've got our length, our chamfer, radius note, fillet note. Now we just need to dimension and then we can also add notes. For example, ridges. And when it's all said and done, it'll look something like this. So this is just one of the more basic parts we can set up as a drawing for the shop. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you're an engineer or designer or drafter to see more SolidWorks tutorials on how it's designed, and visit my website howitsdesigned.com for more content as well. We'll see you next time.